To go ahead and share another resource for these digital literacy lessons. Our next strand that we're going to focus on is computational thinking. A new resource that we have in the district this year is called learning.com. So you'll find it under your Clever. And you can scroll down and you'll find it under your learning.com. And I would recommend that you just get with your kiddos and you heart it so that it pops up to the top of your page like mine does. As an educator, you're going to go ahead and click on there. So then you can go ahead and see what it looks like for your classes. You'll be able to view classes, but I'm going to come back to this in a second. I went ahead and signed in under one of my students just so I can give you an idea of what it looks like. And so I'm signing in under my friend Brooklyn. When she signs in as a student through Clever, it's going to go ahead and pop up this page. And so she'll go ahead and start by picking an avatar. Let's go ahead and play. More than likely, she's going to want to be Rita, so I'm going to go with Rita for her. So what you're going to see is you have a whole bunch of little pathway jumps and all of the fun things with that. If you are familiar with Education Galaxy where you earn stars, it's very similar as far as the mock-up that goes with that. The kiddos are going to be able to earn stars for each lesson for up to 3 stars. And then they'll be able to build up points for different values and where they can play some games. So if you look at each of these fun stepping stones, it gives you an idea of what those lessons are about. And then there's going to be a little skills check after that. So if you look at these first few, these are called, well, this one first right here has a pre-assessment. But you can go ahead and look and see what the strands are about. So this one's online safety and digital citizenship. And you can just click over those. This one's going to be about cyberbullying, and you'll have, that's continued cyberbullying and digital citizenship vocabulary. So if you look through your little stepping stones, you'll get an idea. But because we're working on computational thinking, I want to show you where in the whole process you're going to find that. It's all the way up at steps 70 through 73. And the kids will just work through this program. But you'll see that you'll hit those ticks with the computational thinking again. It starts with a pre-assessment for the students, and then it starts working through the algorithms and modeling those, and the skills check just to make sure that they have all of that foundational pieces down and that they have mastered that concept. So as an educator, you're going to be able to go through, view your classes. If they want to, you'll see how their progress is going. Sorry, ignore my names, but I have a kiddo that's already going through the process, so you can see how their progress is going, and all of that. So it's just another fun resource. It's a great technology station to throw in there just to get some extra practice. And I would just encourage that the kiddos so far are enjoying it, that I have assigned it to. And even during your extension time. So if you're not pulling kiddos, it's a really good resource to use to help build in some of those skills and TEKs that we need to be teaching them.